Tired of DeFi's empty promises of passive income? What if AI agents can finally make it effortless and safe?
No more endless hours staring at charts, chasing gains that slip through your fingers.
No more battling impermanent loss or feeling like DeFi demands too much, even from the pros. That's why we're creating SparkyFi, to finally deliver on the promise of true passive income in DeFi.
Imagine having your own personal AI DeFi coach, designed to make smarter, safer investing effortless.
SparkyFi will analyze critical metrics like TVL, RSI, TVL-to-Volume ratios, pair correlations, delta exposure, and more, so you don't have to.
Our mission? To simplify DeFi and make it accessible for everyone, from curious beginners to seasoned pros.
Stay calm, cool, and collected in any market. Skip the 8-hour rabbit holes. SparkyFi will do the heavy lifting, so you can focus on learning fast and earning smarter.
Join the DeFi revolution. Take control of your financial future. Experience what true passive income feels like. Let your portfolio finally find peace.
Stop trading time for money. The future of DeFi is here. Join the waitlist today at waitlist.SparkyFi.ai and spark your journey to true and peaceful financial freedom.